Welcome back to our channel. Today we are covering Splunk Core Certified Power User SPLK 1002. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today's question is, which command can include both an over and a by clause to divide results into subgroupings? Option A, chart. Option B, stats. Option C, XY series. And option D, transaction. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, which should you use the transaction command instead of the stats command? Option A, when you need to group on multiple values. Option B, when duration is irrelevant in search results. Option C, when you have over 1000 events in a transaction. And option D, when you need to group based on start and end constraints. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, which of the following statements describe post-workflow actions? Option A, post-workflow actions are always encrypted. Option B, post-workflow actions cannot use field values in their URL. Option C, post-workflow actions cannot be created on custom source types. And option D, post-workflow actions can open a web page in either the same window or a new window. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, what does the Splunk Common Information Model add-on include? Choose all that apply. Option A, custom visualizations. Option B, pre-configured data models most voted. Option C, fields and event category tags most voted. And option D, automatic data model acceleration. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, which of the following file formats can be extracted using a delimiter field extraction? Option A, CSV. Option B, PDF. Option C, XML. And option D, JSON. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, a user wants to create a new field alias for a field that appears in two source types. How many field aliases need to be created? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, it depends on whether the original fields have the same name. And option D, it depends on whether the two source types are associated with the same index. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, in the following eval statement, what is the value of description If the status is 503, index is equals to main level. Description is case status 200, OK status 404, not found, status 500, internal server error. Option A, description field would contain no value. Option B, the description field would contain the value 0. Option C, the description field would contain the value internal server error. And option D, this statement would produce an error in Splunk because it is incomplete. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, in which settings section are macros defined? Option A, fields. Option B, tokens. Option C, advanced search. And option D, searches, reports, alerts. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, which of the following statements describes calculated fields? Option A, calculated fields are only used on fields added by lookups. Option B, calculated fields are a shortcut for repetitive and complex eval commands. Option C, calculated fields are a shortcut for repetitive and complex calculation commands. And option D, calculated fields automatically calculate the simple moving average for indexed fields. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, which of the following are required to create a post workflow action? Option A, label, URL, search string. Option B, XML attributes, URL, name. Option C, label, URL, post arguments. And option D, URL, search string, time range picker. The correct answer is option C. Moving to next. Which of the following is one of the pre-configured data models included in the Splunk Common Information Model add-on? Option A, access. Option B, accounting. Option C, authorization. And option D, authentication. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, which of the following statements describe the search below? Choose all that apply. Index is equals to main transaction, client tip, host max span is equals to 30s, max pause is 5s. Option A, events in the transaction occurred within 5 seconds. Option B, it groups events that share the same client tip and host. Option C, the first and last events are no more than 5 seconds apart. And option D, the first and last events are no more than 30 seconds apart. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, when defining a macro, what are the required elements? Option A, name and a validation error message. Option B, definition and arguments. Option C, name and arguments. And option D, name and definition. The correct answer is option D. Thank you.